Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can disable parental controls on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to stop the supervision, we need to go to the settings, then scroll down and go to digital well-being and parental controls. Over here, tap on these three dots in the top right corner and press stop supervision. Now over here, we need to confirm. And of course, we see the information that stopping supervision has consequences. Your parent will be notified and any supervised devices will lock. So the device will be locked for 24 hours unless they will be unlocked by our parent. So we need to understand that if we continue, my parent will be notified and my supervised device will be locked. So let's press stop supervision. And we go. Now we see that the device will lock in 5 minutes, and once the timer is up, supervision will stop and your parent will be notified. We can also still cancel this, apparently, in the bottom left corner if needed, but that's about it. So, thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!